से इनके साथ नाता है, राज भाई एंड दीपक जी के साथ. एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से दिस इज जस्ट अ बिगनिंग, मैनी थिंग मोर इज येट टू कम. बहुत कुछ अभी बाकी है. वी आर जस्ट प्लानिंग कि हम यहाँ से लेके बैंड्रा, अंधेरी एंड एवरीवेयर एल्स विल टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड. एंड माई वाइफ इज विथ मी एंड शी इज़ द ओनली थिंग बिकॉज ऑफ whom आई एम हियर. I just want to say that.
A very big congratulations to Kingsman and all the partners, Nishay Group, Kramash Hospitality, and we wish all the best for Kingsman experience. Please, we ask for your support. Thank you.
Do visit us.
I would just like to say that congratulations to everyone first of all, and just enjoy the food, have a good evening. Just the beginning. You will see many more Kingsmen to come. Maybe future with a different name, but yes, you will get the same vibe. We'll try and keep the same cuisine what we have kept, as he has already explained you about the place. That's just enjoy and have fun.
मैं तो सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा, गुजरात से आया हूँ और किंग्समैन आपको एक नई नाइट लाइफ देगा. और उसके अलावा हम फैमिली क्राउड के लिए भी गेम जोन और कैफ़े एंड ऑल नया करते रहते हैं. तो अभी बॉम्बे में, न्यू बॉम्बे में ये एक अच्छा प्लेस है, आप कभी आइए.
Thank you. Pick on the food here. So if you can see, the place is done very aesthetically and beautifully. So the food has to justify the whole experience. So same way the food is with global influences, not missing out on local palate likings. So that's the reason why we have kept a balance between the classics, but serving it still with a panache. And as a difference, the presentation, the feel. Even if you're having a known dish, you will still feel the difference. And of course, we have not taken inspiration only from India, but across the world, different parts of India. Not trying to fusionize too much, trying to keep it as classic. Let the ingredients speak for themselves. Let the craft of the team get showcased on the plate. So generally, when you go to such high energy lounges, etc., food is not spoken about much. It's of course it's the beverage experience, etc. But then looking at the space which is there and looking at the gap in the market in Navi Mumbai, we had to come up with an experience where the food and the beverage experience, gels together very well in the concept. Upstairs we have a purely luxury dining experience where people are not looking for any noise around. They just want to come with their family. So purely for dining, we have upstairs people who are for younger age, or anyone else who is open to high music, etc. They can come down, have great food, great alcohol. Now the gaming zone has opened up, so that's added on to an experience at a whole different level. So that's how the food plays out here, where we have sushis at the live counter. Then definitely we have some dishes from Asian, a lot of dishes from a lot of different countries. We are very proud of whatever we are offering. Would love to have people come try out for themselves. Yeah, that's it. That's about it.
Okay, so previously our place was called as Kingsman Vashi, where we were just offering an experience of just the dining section and the lounge, but right now the name has been changed to Kingsman Experience. The name of the whole motto of changing this whole concept of Kingsman Vashi to Kingsman Experience is getting something new to Navi Mumbaikars especially. Okay, not just Navi Mumbaikars, people from Mumbai when they are traveling outstation. I think it's a very nice place because it's right on the way to Lonavala or Pune, where people can actually come and experience our food. Not just the food, our ambience is aesthetically beautifully created by Umesh Desai sir, the interior designers, and Chef Ritesh Tulsian has been very, very, very kind to us. And the kind of food that he's given us is not just basic.
को प्यार करो दिल से. और दीपक भाई, ये बंटी भाई और सनी भाई ने आपके कहने पे आए एक कॉल पे. बिल्कुल. जैसे हमारे बड़े भाई ने कॉल किया कि सनी भाई आप आने का है यहाँ पर, तो दीपक भाई को पहला मैंने बोला ठीक है दीपक भाई आप हमारे बड़े भाई हो, हम लोग आ रहे हैं, आप टेंशन मत लो. तो नवी मुंबई की फैमिली जितने भी फुल तांडव करो किंग्समैन में आ रहे.
सबको बताना चाहता हूँ, दीपक भाई आपको पता नहीं रहेगा, हम स्टेज पे थे. अच्छा अभी भाई लाइव आया था तो नवी मुंबई में हम बहुत कम आते हैं अभी बाहर ही ज़्यादा घूमते हैं तो महीने में 2 सैटरडे बैंक में तांडव करने वाले गोल्डन गाइड क्या बोलते हैं सब लोग
आने बनता तो नहीं, हर महीने में 1 बार 2 बार तो अभी नवी मुंबई में आप सब लोग बोलो आवाज बनता है। तो
और
आने
आप
का
सब लोग है ना अपने गर्लफ्रेंड को लेके आओ दारू मेरी तरफ से रहेगा सबको क्या?
तो प्लीज हम लोगों का यही रिक्वेस्ट है आप गोल्डन गाइड्स का कि जितने भी मेरी वो नवी मुंबई पुणे महाराष्ट्र की जितनी फैमिली किंग्स मैन में एक बार प्लीज विजिट करो गोल्डन गाइड्स यहाँ पे। मतलब ये हमारा बड़ा भाई है, सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, तो प्लीज़ भाई के लिए हमारे लिए रिक्वेस्ट है